Here it is, your chance to live in a quiet village on a country-sized lot, ready for summer splashy fun and loads of options inside. This expanded bungalow is ready now. The main floor comes into view. The living areas and kitchen are just right, with the elevated deck overlooking the pool close by. Down the hall is the formal dining room and the first of 3 bedrooms. Next to the garage is the ascent to the second floor. This is a modern design with a big living room and 2 more bedrooms connected. This one currently set up as a dressing room. Downstairs, you get more finished space, including a rec room, bedroom number 4, and another full bath. And here's the big added bonus. Just add a bookcase hidden door, and you've got yourself a speakeasy lounge. Outside, here's why you can cancel your cottage rental next year. You get this terrific pool with a shade option, part of the storage shed. Just move in and enjoy.